Hi, the next piece of technology that I would share with you is called Remind. I selected Remind because it is a great tool that teachers can use to send information to parents. While I don't personally use this in my classroom, I help coach cross country at our high school, and we use it to connect with all the cross country parents and the cross country kids themselves, since they're in high school and many of them, they all have phones. And we send information for the meet, buses, times, and who will be racing on which day. So my purpose is to show this to teachers so they can get it set up for their own classroom if it's something that they choose to use. So I would say that this video will be for my coworkers, and the ISTE standards that I thought went along with this is 2C, which is modeling for other teachers how to use new digital resources and tools to enhance students' learning. And I feel like in a classroom setting, this would be enhancing students' learning, especially at like the high school level. If you post like maybe the homework assignments on there, you post page number or other resources that students could use if they would need something for their classroom. And then I also said it would be 6B, which is managing the use of technology in a space where students or parents go to. So as the teacher, you're in charge of this space and making sure what students are posting on there, what you're posting on there for resources for students to use. So now I'm going to show you how to get this set up. So all you're going to do is you're going to go to remind.com, and once there, it's going to ask you to create an account. I've already done that just to save on time, and I just used my first initial and my last name. And then once there, you're going to hit on create a class. And then you can also join other types of classes. So I created just a quick kindergarten class just to show you how it works. And you're going to click on add people. So you would just keep adding all the parents, or you could send them a code so that they could join. Once that's done, you're able to put announcements here that parents can get. You can start a conversation with parents. You can message everyone. You can upload pictures, put attachments for things on there for students to use. And then students can also message you and ask you about things and get information from you. So it's a great resource that can be used in your classroom. Thanks.